drug mafia is there. To spoil these youngsters, drug mafia is more in Karnataka, in South India. And they are expecting 45,000 from the excise department. They have not, they wanted to make in the future, even the drinking is also compulsory. Otherwise, they cannot meet the budgetary expenditure. That type of attitude this government is having. Maybe Siddaramaiah ji, maybe 8th year in office, and 17th time is giving a budget. And this last budget, we have read almost 3 hours 45 minutes. It is the longest budget reading. So that this is the achievement. So this is totally non-developmental, and loan has been taken much in this, so that whatever we taken in our regime, 45,000, 44,000 loan, more than that they are paying the interest, 52,000 crore this time.